Bitcoin crashes 17% due to Elon Musk tweet. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.heise here, and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee and let's have a look at this morning news from news.com.au. So, the Bitcoin price plunges 17%. Elon Musk tweets the value seems high. And if we jump over to CoinMarketCap, we can see Bitcoin right now is at $54,145 US with a couple of cents. So in the last 7 days, it's still up 12%. 24 hours, it's down 6.3. And we can see here in the chart, I mean, there you go. There's that big correction. Now, here's the thing. There are going to be a lot of people that are new to the crypto space. This can possibly be a normal daily move in crypto. It's a little bit exceptional. 17% is a bit high, but crypto has significant moves. If you want to make the tendies, the huge gains, you have to accept the fact that you're going to hit the huge, I'll adjust my collar here, the huge potential falls as well, guys. It's just part of what is going on with crypto. It's how it is. You can't be shooting to the moon all the time and not appreciate the fact that you're going to get corrections that are just as fast. Now, the thing that's quite concerning is this correction has happened just from a tweet of Musk. Just a tweet he sent out. What happens if Tesla has to start selling some Bitcoin and starts announcing it then? What correction could that have? I mean, these are just things, if you're investing in it purely to make money, not on ideological purposes, then you've got to understand that these are some of the inherent risks there, guys. It's business. It's the markets. It's trading. So let's have a look at what he said here, because his tweet actually is quite interesting. It's quite good. So the price of Bitcoin fell 17% on Monday after hitting a record high of 74,000 on Sunday. So that's in Australian dollars. 74,000 Australian dollars, guys. That's just crazy. The volatile cryptocurrency fell to 65,000 before regaining ground. At 7:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, it was valued at 78,000. Sorry, 68,000, not 78,000. 74,000. I'm still a bit shocked that it's gotten that high. The slide came just hours after billionaire Elon Musk tweeted that Bitcoin and Ethereum seemed high. Well, Ethereum as well. It's at $1,700, guys. Remember when it was about $100? I remember when it was $60. Now, but the thing is, the gas fees are going to go through the moon if you're actually running something on the Ethereum network. If you've got a smart contract. Because I remember when we're seeing this, I was talking to Rachel, this would be fantastic tech for contract administration, where you just program it all in, and then people could use it to run a contract. Because, the potential for stuffing stuff up really, or corruption, will be diminished because of the smart contracts that you could lock in place and just tick a flag and it occurs. But I mean, with these costs, with the gas fees, does no one think about that? Am I the only one so boring thinking about gas fees? Maybe it could be. I'm not all super excited as everyone else. Don't get me wrong. I'll turn my Ethereum into some shares, but still. So here's his tweet: an email saying you have gold is not the same as having gold. You may as well have crypto. And he's right. You've got to, this is where the people, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. You've got to hold it in your hand. Money is just data that allows us to avoid the inconvenience of barter. That data, like all data, is subject to latency and error. The system will evolve to that which minimizes both. That said, Bitcoin and Ethereum do seem high, lol. And then we get a 17% correction, at least in Australian dollar terms, of Bitcoin. So imagine if it came out in the news that Tesla was selling $500 million of their Bitcoin holdings to invest in, maybe even if it was something new and exciting. They've got to ramp up production of the new Tesla Mark 5 or whatever it is, the next one. And it's just going gangbusters. What do you think that'll do to the Bitcoin price if they start having to sell it off to fund this? Because they're not an investment company, guys. They're not meant to be. The comment comes after Tesla invested nearly $2 billion in the cryptocurrency. The company has already racked up about $1.26 billion in profits from the investment. Well, no, it hasn't. Until you realize the profits, or did they sell? Did they buy and sell? Let me know in the comments, but my understanding is they've just bought. They haven't sold. So until you realize the profits, guys, it's just paper profits. It's the same thing as the wealth effect on your house, feeling like your equity is making you rich, when it could just disappear overnight. Or it could be generated overnight through doing absolutely nothing. This is the funny thing, you know, people who bought property at the right time, got lucky, made a whole lot of money on it, and sold it. I mean, is it luck or is it skill, guys? Maybe it's skill to identify what it is, but for most of us, it's just luck. You know, right time. Once you admit that, you know, it's probably a good thing. The Tesla CEO's tweets have previously impacted markets. A comment about Tesla stock sent it plummeting in May 2020. A joke about Dogecoin saw its value almost double. Or was it Dogecoin? Elon and his fleet have incredible power over the market prices, founder of quantum economics Maddie Greenspan said. He predicted there would be increased volatility going forward for Bitcoin. Well, there's always volatility for Bitcoin. All cryptocurrencies are insanely volatile. You know, back in the day, you could have a few whales manipulate the market just with their purchases. Remember, it's complete. It's the Wild West. It's deregulated. So you have companies that are, you know, they'll be offering, you know, short trading, and then they'll invest themselves to blow out all the people that are shorting them. Or, you know, there's some funny stuff going on there. You just have to be aware of it, guys. So there's also growing concern that Bitcoin is entering bubble territory. In 2017, the price of Bitcoin dropped 45% after hitting new highs. The cryptocurrency grew by 305% in 2020. I mean, that's good if you've got the, you know, are you going to sell now and take the profits, guys? So Bitcoin, dear leader, sent us a message. Oh, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Oh no, is this going to be a meme now in the stock market? People are going to start doing chart analysis with the Tesla theme. Barclays Wealth and Investment CEO Will Hobbs told Insider that he was avoiding the cryptocurrency because of its wild swings. Newly appointed U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said at a press conference on Monday that Bitcoin was an extremely inefficient way of conducting transactions. But Bitcoin is continuing to gain institutional support. Well, that's the thing. When you look at the cost of actually using these things, these cryptos, to move them around, they cost a fortune, guys. They're very expensive, very inefficient, very slow. And sure, people are going to say, but Florian, there's this new altcoin that no one's heard of, that has no marketing appeal, that will solve all these problems magically. It's all about marketing and spin, guys. If you don't have the brand, you got nothing. You know, what was it? Grosstal coin, GRS. That was one I was watching back in 2017. And I was actually mining this. This is one of the coins that I was mining on my graphics cards. Well, there you go. It's gotten up to 68 cents. Hardly anything back from where it was. Back here, you know, it was over $1. And then back then, there was, you know, probably affordable for me to mine it. But the hash rate and complexity would have gotten so much higher. And I'll be honest, I can't be bothered running all my computers and heating up my house with with it, because I didn't have special rigs. I just used normal gaming workstations where I stuck 3 graphics cards in them. So, I mean, there you go. Who's heard of that one? It's fast, it's efficient, it's low cost. You know, people were predicting it'll be $5. That was funny. So that's the thing, guys. It is expensive to use. On February 9th, Tesla said it would begin accepting payments in Bitcoins for its cars and other products in the near future. In October last year, PayPal announced it would allow consumers to conduct transactions in the cryptocurrency. Well, see, this isn't quite true. PayPal is allowing you to buy and hold on its platform, and it's always going to be a third party between you and anyone else. You'll essentially be selling your crypto, your Bitcoin, and then the other party will receive cash, which is okay. It's great if you want an easy way. If you've made a lot of money in Bitcoin, you want an easy way to buy things with it. Sure, I can appreciate that. But, you know, it's not the same as going to a shop and giving a shopkeep Bitcoin. I've tried to do it. We had a little drafting job for a painter, and I offered him a discounted price for Bitcoin. He couldn't figure out how to send it to me. I think he didn't want to. I think he rather wanted to pay in cash. So there you go. I mean, let me know if you've ever actually, someone in business, if you've ever actually managed to do it, send an invoice out in a cryptocurrency and gotten paid for it, because that would be interesting. Because I mean, people want to hold on to it if they're expecting it to reach. I think there's some Max Kaiser saying what, $2 million Bitcoin, $200,000 Bitcoin, something crazy as his alien theories, but still. People hold on to the good money. But if Musk can move it that much, what happens if Tesla has to sell? American investor and founder of Gemini cryptocurrency exchange, Tyler Winklevoss, said the story of Bitcoin had always been 2 steps forward, 1 step back, then 2 steps forward. Few understand this, he wrote on Twitter. As the price hit record highs on Sunday, the mysterious and presumable founder... What? Founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, he's dead. Became one of the world's richest men. Well, no one knows who he is. There is some Australian guy claiming to be him, but, he said he had all these addresses for wallets, and then someone made a transaction on one of these ancient addresses for Bitcoin time and said, no, he's not Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi is the name used by the presumed pseudonyms persons who develop Bitcoin. And if he does exist, he's very, very rich. No, he's not, because none of those original wallets really have had anything moved. How much Bitcoin is just locked up in wallets that people don't have access to? He's believed to have set himself aside 1 million coins when the cryptocurrency was created. That would put his net worth to 74 billion. But those 1 million coins have never been touched. There you go. So there we have it, everyone. Cryptocurrency, a bit of a correction, 17% for Bitcoin, just from an Elon Musk tweet. That's the game. That's crypto, guys. That's what it is. It's not like the stock market. It's not like precious metals. It's not even like property. You can get huge fluctuations in one day. And maybe there are a few people that are new to the sector that have to realize that. That's what it's like. That's one of the reasons why I'm not investing in crypto. Because, frankly, it probably would stress me out too much. I'd be watching it too much. And I think, what's more important for me? Stress or potential gains or potential losses? So, everyone has to understand where they sit. I'll stick with my nice boring dividend stocks this year. Maybe next year I'll play around a bit. We'll have to see. So, guys, what do you reckon? Are you surprised by this 17% correction? Are you worried that if Tesla or some of the big institutions start selling Bitcoin, the price may tank? Or will there be others there just to give it a good support level? So it's not the same as the last big surge. It's a little different. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and enjoy the content I create here, there are a few ways you can support us. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. You can support us using our affiliate links from Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or AussieBroadband. You can buy merch from HeiseSays, use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye for now.